Good morning, Junior 5 students. I am Ms. Fatma Abdelraouf Hamadnallah, and I will be teaching you science this year. I hope you enjoy studying with me. In the last video, we mentioned that we have two themes. Let's start with the first theme, which is called systems. We said each theme consists of a unit, so Unit 1 is called Interactions of Organisms. We also mentioned that each unit consists of many concepts. Today, we will start with Concept 1, which is called Plant Needs. Okay? Of course, we know that plants consist of three main parts, which are root, stem, leaves, and sometimes flowers or fruits. Okay? Each part of the plant has its own function. Also, plants use these different parts to obtain their basic needs of water, air, and light to make their own food. Okay, let's study the first part, which is the roots. Plant roots have hair-like structures called root hairs that increase the amount of absorbed water and nutrients that the plant needs from the soil. Okay? Functions of the root. 1. Roots anchor the plant in the soil. 2. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Okay, let's talk about the second structure, which is the stem. Water and nutrients move up the plant's stem through tubes or vessels called xylem. Smaller vessels of xylem connect the stem to the leaves, okay? The function of the stem. 1. The stem transports water and nutrients from the roots to the rest of the plant through xylem. 2. The stem supports leaves and flowers of the plant. Okay, there are many types of stem. Let's discuss them. 1. Wood stem. Some plants have wood stems, such as trunks and shrubs. 2. Climbing stem. Some plants have climbing stems, such as vines or grapes. 3. Runner stem. Some stems run along the ground to help form new plants and are called runners. 4. Upright stem. Most flowers have upright stems. 5. Tuber stem. Some stems extend underground and are called tubers, such as in the potato plant. Now, let's make a small activity to observe how the stem transports water and nutrients from the roots to all plants, part through xylem vessels. Tools we will use: a clear glass or plastic container, a fresh white flower or celery stalk with leaves, water food coloring, optional, to better see the water movement, a knife or scissors for cutting the stem. Okay? What we will do? 1. Fill the cup with water, then add a few drops of food coloring to the water. 2. Use the scissors to cut about 2 cm off the bottom of the stalk and place it in the cup of water. 3. Leave the stalk in the water cup until the next day. 4. Cut across the celery stalk about 5 cm up from the bottom and observe the xylem vessels inside the stalk. Okay? We will observe that the color of the xylem will turn the same color as the water in the cup. Also, the color of the celery leaves will turn the same color as the water in the cup. We conclude that xylem vessels transport water and nutrients from the roots of the plants up to the leaves and flowers through the stem. Okay? Finally, we said that there are tubes called phloem that transport the food materials from the leaves to the other parts of the plant. Xylem vessels and phloem vessels form a system in the plant called the transport system of the plant, or vascular system. Okay, what is the transport system of the plant? This is the transport system of the plant, also known as the vascular system. This system is responsible for transporting water, nutrients, and food throughout the plant. Okay? This system consists of two types of vessels, which are xylem vessels and phloem vessels. Okay? Xylem vessels transports water and nutrients from the roots up to the leaves and flowers, but phloem vessels transports food materials, sugars, starches, proteins, etc., produced in the leaves to other parts of the plant. Okay? The transport system of the plant has one-way vessels that move important substances between the parts of the plant. This system in the plant is similar to a system in the human body, which is the circulatory system. And this is the human circulatory system. Okay, what is that? It's the system that transports oxygen and nutrients through the blood to all parts of the body. Okay? It consists of heart and blood vessels, or tubes. There are 3 types of blood vessels. 1, arteries, 2, veins, and 3, blood capillaries. We will discuss them next video, okay? That's all for today. In our next video, we will continue our lesson. To stay updated, please like, subscribe, and share this channel. Goodbye.